In this example, we are going to determine the measures of a regular polygon, and we have this graphic right here of this polygon here. And let me just point out that a regular polygon is a polygon whose angle measures are all the same. And we can see here that this angle measure here has a single tick mark, and so does each one, indicating that the angle measures are all the same. And since their angle measures are all the same, then their side lengths are all going to be the same also. So this is a regular polygon. This particular one is a regular hexagon, and a regular hexagon is a six-sided polygon. You can see that that's a six-sided polygon. Now if I was to mark each one of these vertices here, I'm just going to go A, B, C, D, E, and F. And if I was to take one of these vertexes, let's just say this one, I'm going to take this one, and then draw a line to each other vertex, we call that partitioning the polygon. And what this does is it makes a series of triangles inside the polygon. So you can see I have triangle FAB right here. I have triangle FBC right here. Triangle FCD. And of course triangle FDE. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles, and with those 4 triangles we know that the angle measures of any triangle has to equal to 180 degrees. So since I have 4 triangles in here, I'm just going to go 4 times 180 degrees. That's the sum total of the angles inside any triangle, and since I have 4 of them, 4 times 180, that's 720. So 720 is the total measure of all the angles inside our regular polygon here. We can generalize this formula by saying n, and n stands for the number of sides of a polygon, minus 2, and then we multiply that by 180. Now since this is a 6-sided polygon, that would mean 6 minus 2 times 180. 6 minus 2, of course, that's 4 times 180, and of course that's again equal to 720. So rather than have to partition off and then count up the number of triangles, we know that it's going to be the number of sides of the polygon minus 2. So this becomes 4 times 180. So that is the total measure of all the angles in here. If I want to know what each individual angle is, I simply divide by how many angles there are. So 720 is the total of all the angles. Divide that by 6. Then each angle measure has got to be 120 degrees. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that in here, 120. And we're good to go.